China always.
Ancient China. Oh yeah.
Those emperor always drink this kind of wine one.
And we probably combine with cricket. Yeah. Amazing protein.
Oh, this is a cricket.
Yeah, they fry them with lemongrass.
Lemongrass.
Cricket. Don't. Hold.
Nonsense.
Material to make rice wine is rice.
Yes.
Yeah. So we can have, I would see like two different places right here. Here is like the metal pot for boiling, and here is for steaming rice or steam. Yeah. After steaming rice, they're gonna spread the mat on the ground. And then they spread all the rice to cool it down, and then they would make mix it with yeast. Yeah, to make it fermented. Yeah. And after that, they would put them in these plastic barrels. So this is the yeast that this owner used. Yeah. They mix this yeast with rice and they put in this barrel. It takes around 2 weeks. Yeah. 12 days to 2 weeks. And then when the whole mixture is well fermented, they're gonna use this one and put inside that metal pot. Because in this area, every family has coffee farm. Yeah. And they use this to make fire. Yeah. It doesn't make flames too much like wood. Yeah. But the heat is really stable. Make sure the liquid is not overburned. Otherwise, the rice wine will be not that good. So when the mixture is boiled, so the steam would go up through this pipe. Yeah. And it goes through the water tank right there to cool the steam down, and then it becomes drops right here. Yeah. Right here we have happy water. Yeah.
I thought this one go and feed the crocodile.
Luckily not. Yeah.
And then crocodile become drunkard for the whole day.
You know, like
And dancing the whole day.
the steam is pretty hot, so yeah, and make you happy when you sad. After drinking, dancing all day long. Yeah, you see. So with the 60%, we also can do as a plain. Yeah.
Oh, friend also.
And for like this strong of wine, we normally use it to dip with animals, with reptiles like snakes. Yeah, 60% is for snakes, for reptiles.
I can
for
happy
lizards.
now. I can happy now.
Yeah, sure. Whole bottle.
Fall down, no. Straight away.
So would you like to try?
No.
Small sip. Small sip each one. So you.
Our representative.
Yeah, they have different sizes, different tanks, different sizes. They would jump out, but not really high. So even like he is slippery with the plastic surrounded.
I thought they can jump very high.
Yeah, there are different species of crickets in the nature. They could jump like 2-3 meters and fly really high. So over here, different.
Đây con dế, đã xem con dế trước. Đây, lại xem con dế.
These are bamboo rats.
Yeah.
Like rats, but bamboo.
Lisa,
Bamboo rats.
lại xem dế này.
Bamboo rats.
Yeah, this one is little one.
Yeah.
This is the crocodile eggs.
Bamboo rats.
Lisa ơi, don't touch them, okay?
When people go to the forest to catch them, it's pretty easy because they make a lot of noise when they're eating. Like, yeah, they're eating bamboo, pretty crunchy.
They are hungry now. They are hungry.
And do you know what are they doing with these tanks?
Meeting. Having children.
Having fun.
Meeting.
Yeah, mating. So, do you know which one is male and which one is female? Can you recognize? Female is bigger? Not really.
Round one is it?
But for cricket, I would show you some details. For example, this one are females.
Oh, see the
Yeah, the tail.
Yeah.
The black tail is for laying eggs. Yeah. And let me find the male. This is the male, everyone.
Oh, no
You can see the wing with the pattern on it.
But there are no tails, right?
No tail. So this is the male. Yeah. And which gender is making that noise?
Male.
Why?
Attract the female.
他要找
So
伴
you
侣
you are a
啊
good singer.
But I made a mistake.
That's true. So the male will make a noise to attract the female.
Yes.
Yeah. So what are they doing in this place is having fun and laying eggs.
Lisa.
So the female will use the tail, dig into the ground and lay eggs in it. Yeah. And then next generation is coming.
But do they come back to the place where they lay the eggs and safeguard the egg? No.
No, it's going to be like whole eggs underneath. We don't know exactly
So
where.
happily they go another place. Happily they go another place.
Yeah.
Not irresponsible like that. Huh?
一定的家庭哦。
No good like that. Abandon the children like that.
Yeah, this baby. No responsibility. This one around 10 years old.
Lisa, don't scare them.
How they collect it?
Lisa.
First of all, they're gonna keep all the crickets be hungry for 2 days.
Oh.
Cái này hả?
Then we go to the white tunnel.
Wow, 这是头的，
This is the sticky rice.
头的，
哦，蛇酒啊。
头的，很精神，是这样。
And this
What's
is the
the
one
one?
from up.
Nigger.
Yeah. Cooper.
对，它的这种等级的，
Different methods.
这里你放一下，
Nào không?
包一按回这样，你真的，
We are in the tunnel.
我在眼镜蛇都搞啊，
What's that?
眼镜蛇搞的。
Mind your step and watch out your hat, please. Watch out your hat over here.
Okay, what's your head, huh?
Watch your front.
What's your front?
Watch your front, shoot the head.
Sorry,
100 meter.
Oh, they're so clever. They do different stuff.
Aim and shoot. Fire.
Oh, this all keep the wine.
Yeah, they keep the wine here so that the wine will be better taste. And the longer, it will be better.
Oh.
没有 head，没有 step。
Let's see, you're not scared. You
Now,
cắt
put it on your mouth.
You cắt sải. Put your mouth. Put your mouth.
Everything little.
And put it on your mouth.
好像虾米哦，
Yeah.
那就好像那小虾米的味道。
樱花虾。
All right, yo.
This is the end of my video today. I hope that you enjoy watching that. And don't forget to give me a subscribe and watch my next video. Thank you and goodbye.
Yummy, yummy.